Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so.
Om Swastiastu semeton.
Swastiastu, ayo kita ke sawah.
Hujan kakak bareng kakak nyetel aja ke mau. Malu aku udah pengen di kamera mah.
I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly lost. I think I need a new bottom. Wait, all these thoughts.
Yin.
I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show 'em what I got. I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off. I won't let 'em win. I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh. I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts. I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest. I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, cause I'll do anything to make one a reality. Don't let go.
Jadi rencana nih hari ini Ale busung kurang tapi nih Ale agak mau balik kita. Agak bot dek Tegal guys. Angwang. Kakak. Hey.
So they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If you lose, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in powerful.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you too long, it hurts to watch your
Jos kene demenin alpukat.
as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up, I feel like it's my day. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
Sanyan sih.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient. No.